I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check your device model and OS build because dynamic lock screen depends on hardware and software support. Once confirmed, back up current lock screen settings and any custom images so you can revert. Next, connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power. Updates or heavy asset downloads can fail on low battery. Now, open Settings and navigate straight to the lock screen section so you can apply the first compatibility and permission changes. Now you enable the support layers that make dynamic effects run. Update the OS and any system components. Missing patches are a common blocker. Then grant the wallpaper and lock screen services full permissions for photos and background activity. Without them, effects are blocked. Make sure battery saver is off and remove overlays like accessibility filters or third-party launchers that intercept the lock screen. Once done, restart the wallpaper service or reboot the phone so permission changes take effect cleanly. Finish by applying a supported dynamic effect and run the live preview to confirm it renders. Test with several wallpapers and both system and downloaded effects. Compatibility can vary by asset. If it still says unsupported, clear cache and data for the wallpaper/lock screen service, reapply permissions, then reboot. As a final troubleshooting tip, check OEM-specific lock screen settings or developer options. Only use a factory reset as a last resort after backing up, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.